It's end of day 2 in van life. I'm talking to you guys who's watching on YouTube, all 3 of you. Bit of YouTube for myself, and it's bedtime. Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Tomorrow.
Right guys, hello. So this is van life, moving in, laid bare. So the place is a dump still. Today is going to be the big tidy up. I'm going to try and fill these 2 cupboards with all our stuff that we don't use on a regular day. We came back to Steve's yesterday night, tea time-ish. Didn't have to worry about what time we got up or anything like that, and we can empty all the stuff out if needed be. So my job today is try to sort out the van. Last night, because we was on the drive and we knew that we could start the van if the battery was flat, I had the heater on all night and the van still started fine today. And it's cold, so it's all good.
6.5 hours later.
This is night 4 of van life. As you can see, got rid of all the clothes in this side, some junk in this side. So still a bit of a dump. Heater's going. Parked up in a lay-by for trucks and vans now. Did just have a strange guy sniffing around. I noticed him supposedly having a piss at the side of his car. So I just walked around outside looking at the moon, and eventually come over. Didn't look like he wanted to speak, so I asked him what was he alright? And then he started talking about our Christmas decorations on the front of the cab. And I asked him if he was meeting someone, and he's like, yeah, I'm meeting someone, but they've not turned up yet. I was like, right. And then he just walked back off to his car, got in and drove off. He did have a good look in the front of the cab though when he walked past. So let's hope this video actually gets published. See you later.
Oi! What do you mean?
He might come back and kill us. Let's hope it's quick. Good night. Morning guys. This is a lay-by, not far from Rainford. Quite quiet last night, apart from that weirdo. Had the heater running non-stop this time for the first time all night. So, obviously, moment of truth. Let's see if she'll start up. That was a bit dodgy, that. So yeah, that's good morning from a frosty Rainford. It's not too bad actually, it's not that cold. I rather like today, you know, it's nice and quiet. This might be a regular stop until we go further afield. Anyway, time for me to water these weeds. Catch you later. Right guys, currently on day 5. Currently parked in Tesco. Currently watching Japan versus Croatia. Just got my hands on some batteries, been tidying the van out still. Moment of truth. It's actually a bike torch. Oh, ooh. Don't know if I showed you these deckies. Welcome to night 5. Bit of van topic. So yeah, I picked up this lino. It's about 2 meters by 2 meters, and it's going to go underneath here. It's going to be a bit of a pain, but I need to finish off the bottom. Sorted the bed out a bit. I managed to fit a duvet inside a cover whilst in the van. There's no room in here. My kids are mum's now, so it's just me tonight. So I get a nice big. It's actually bigger than a Super King. Not bad, not bad. So now I am gonna jump in bed. It's only about 7 o'clock, and try and catch the next World Cup match. Even got a bit of a smell going on. Got a couple of candles on so I can turn the light off and still see. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Good morning. Day 6 of van life. Right guys, picked this up today. This is car jump starter. It's currently on charge here. Can't see, it's on 79%, so that charges off the van. when it's full, or at least they say at least 50% full, you can jump start the car, the van. Also today, here's my little air pump. Picked up this second hand, 10 quid. Well guys, you probably won't be able to see that, but full moon on the 7th of December. The 7th night. Parked up, Rainford. Anyway, good night. End of week 1 done.